Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the numbers. Start by counting decimal places in each factor and add them together. Once done, remove both decimal points and treat the numbers as whole integers. That's crucial because multiplication ignores alignment of decimals. Multiply these integers normally, using long multiplication or a quick column method, and keep track of carries. Make sure to ignore the decimal location until after you finish the integer product. This setup saves time and prevents alignment errors. Now multiply the integers exactly as you would whole numbers. Multiply each digit, write partial products shifted by place, and add carries carefully. If numbers are large, use partial products to avoid mistakes. Write each row aligned by place value and sum them. While adding, estimate the rough magnitude of the final product to confirm you're on track. This helps detect slip-ups early. Once the integer product is correct, you're ready to return the decimal point to its proper location. To finish, insert the decimal point into the integer product by counting from the right the total number of decimal places you recorded earlier. That restores the true value. Then verify by estimating. Shift each original number to nearest whole and check the product range, or divide the result by one factor to retrieve the other. If the result seems off, troubleshoot by recounting decimal places and rechecking partial sums. Simple miscounts are the most common error and are quick to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.